Hey, this is Melissa, and I recently spent a few days in Universal Orlando and stayed at the Aventura Hotel. This is my second stay at Aventura because it's one of my favorite resorts. We stayed on the fourth floor in a standard two queen bed room. It had very comfortable beds. You know, after end of park days, all you want to do is fall into the bed, sound asleep, and I had no trouble sleeping. The bathroom has a nice vanity area with a big mirror, plenty of lighting. There was plenty of places for our toiletries, as you can see. Inside the bathroom area is a tub and shower with nice toiletries. It comes with shampoo and conditioner and shower gel and a bar soap. Your basic things that you need. At the front door is a full-length mirror, great for getting ready in the morning and taking a look to make sure everything looks good top to bottom before you head to the parks. Housekeeping is back to coming in every day. Since COVID, they had been sometimes not coming in the room at all or just coming in every other day, so I was pleased that we had daily service. I ran into the housekeeping service a couple times, and they were so friendly and nice, asked if everything was okay, if we needed anything else, and we really appreciated that. Inside the cabinet, there was a small mini fridge. Keep your drinks or anything there. We had ordered pizza the night before because we were late getting in, so that was our leftover pizza. Above the fridge is your ice bucket, a little one-serving coffee pot, and the safe. Plus lots of storage. I love the technology in this room. There's an iPad that controls the entire room, as you can see. You can turn on and off each section of the lights, or there's a button at the bottom that you can just turn them off completely. At the same place where you can control the lights, you can also control the temperature. I didn't show that on the screen. You can set an alarm that will go off and wake you up in the morning if you need the alarm. I thought that was a great feature. Everything right there on the iPad. Besides the light and the temperatures, you can also control the TV. You can log into your own Netflix, Prime Video, YouTube. For dining, you can order your room service from the iPad, whether it's pizza or sandwiches and drinks. Or you can see the resort dining. You can see all the restaurants that are in the resort, and you can also see restaurants that are in the park. So it kind of gives you an overview of any dining that you're looking for. Another cool feature is if you need to request items, whether it's towels, more coffee, a blanket, pack and play sheets, shampoo, anything, you can request it right here on the iPad, and either someone will be right up with it or they'll send the cool little robot to bring it to whatever you need to you. These are all the other options under services. Internet, you have internet, world clock, weather, and the Bible right here on the iPad. And then if you just need to send a message to one of the team members at Universal Aventura, you just push this button and chat with them. Also by the bed, they have a nice USB and plugs, but also over on the counter space, they've got good plug options. They've got 2 USB and 2 regular plugs, along with good lighting, and then the thermostat. I was pleased with the plug-in options that the room had. Here's our view from outside our resort. We're overlooking the Aventura sign. That's Sapphire Falls over there. Then you can see the tower at Islands of Adventure there. Sapphire Falls, and you can see Hogwarts in the park right over there. And then over here is Cabana Bay. And back behind us is Volcano Bay, so this is a great place to stay, kind of in the middle of it all. It's not one of the premier resorts. It's a cheaper price point, but it's perfect. I love this location. This is the second time for me to stay here. As I mentioned before, the technology is so cool. This is one of the robots that brings you items when you request it. I thought that was neat. Resort also has some great dining options. Bar 17 Bistro is on the rooftop, and it's got beautiful views and tapas, like small bite menu items, and then it's a full bar. If you're ever up there on Bar 17 Bistro, try the chicken wings. They were my favorite thing on the menu. They had bao buns too. My daughter loves anything that has an Asian flair, and she enjoyed those. But the chicken wings, we ordered some of them, we ate them up, and we had to order another round because they were so good. So Aventura has great food options down in the lobby. It's kind of like a food court area. There's an area that's a noodle bar, rice and noodle bar. You pick your noodles or your rice, you choose your veggies to go in it, and then you pick your protein. They put it in a wok and they'll make you a noodle bowl right there fresh. But also they have an area that has hamburgers, pizza, and they have a grab and go area where if you just need to go get a drink, quick sandwich, or a little dessert. They also have gelato. That's Brian's favorite. He likes the gelato area. Right outside the door is the pool area, and there's lots of seating, and there's usually a movie playing while the kids are in the pool or anybody's in the pool. They have a nice bar called Soul. It's just a really fun hotel, very convenient. There's a walking path directly to Volcano Bay, 5 minutes. Transportation from Aventura to the parks is by bus, officially. You jump on it, it's real easy. It takes a 5-minute ride and they drop you in the parking garage area. You go up, you have to go through security and walk into Universal, into City Walk area, into the parks. We enjoy in the mornings, we get going early and we walk over to Sapphire Falls and we have delicious breakfast at Amatista's Cookhouse, and it's so good. Fill our bellies with breakfast, then we walk right out the back door, and the ferry boats are there at Sapphire Falls and will take you right to the entrance of Universal Studios. Go through security at the hotel before you get over there, so kind of save some little time. We just go over to Sapphire Falls, have a meal, or grab coffee, and then jump on the boats. I hope you enjoyed this quick tour and review of Aventura Hotel. I love this hotel. If you ever want to try it, contact me. I am a travel advisor with Magnolia Travel Group. My contact information is melissa@magnoliatravelgroup.com. Please like, subscribe, and ring that bell, and we will have more content coming.